In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Etsy. We're going to walk through creating a new product listing from start to finish. So by the end, you'll know exactly what to click and what information to add to get your item ready for buyers. First, head over to your Etsy Shop Manager dashboard. This is your main control center as a seller. If you're logged in, you can usually find it by clicking Shop Manager at the top of the Etsy homepage. From here, you'll see options to manage orders, marketing, finances, and of course, your products. On the left-hand side, click on Listings. This is where all of your current and draft products live. To add something new, look for the button that says Add a Listing and click it. This opens the listing editor, which we'll now work through section by section. Start with your photos and videos. Click on Upload in the Media section and choose images or videos from your device. Use clear, well-lit photos that show different angles, and if possible, include at least one image that shows the item in use or in context. Next, find the category field. Click into it, start typing what your product is, and select the most accurate category from the suggestions. A good category helps Etsy show your product to the right shoppers. Now choose what type of item you're selling, physical or digital. Physical items are shipped to the customer. Digital items are downloaded. After that, open the When Was It Made drop-down and pick the most accurate option, especially if you're listing vintage or handmade goods. Click into the title field and add a clear, descriptive title. Think about what a buyer would type into the search bar to find your item. Then move to the description box and write a detailed description explaining what the item is, key features, sizes, materials, and any important care or usage instructions. If your product can be customized, click Add Personalization. Here you can add instructions for buyers and set a character limit for their response, which helps keep messages clear and manageable. Scroll down to the tags section and add your tags. These are keywords related to your item that improve search visibility. Use words your ideal customer might use. In the pricing and logistics area, enter your price, then the quantity you have available. Make sure both are accurate for your stock and your profit margins. In the delivery, processing, and return section, choose the correct shipping profile with the right processing times and costs. Then, in the returns and exchanges section, confirm your policy and any required safety or manufacturer details. Under How It's Made, select who made the item and what it is. So Etsy understands whether it's handmade, vintage, or a supply. In the settings area, pick a shop section if you use them. Decide whether to feature this listing and choose your renewal option, automatic or manual. Once you've checked everything and you're happy with how it looks, click Publish. Your Etsy listing is now live and ready for customers.